You got a minute? Now we can work those abs anywhere. Let's start with the leg hip raises. After doing a leg raises, make sure to twist your hips side to side. This exercises is very easy to perform but it's very hard to continue. Make sure to complete 30 reps each side. Second exercise that we need to do is the cycle Russian twist. Twist your obliques from side to side and pretend that you are riding a bicycle. Perform at least 50 reps as fast as you can. The only time you need to stop is when you feel your abs is burning. Last and final exercise are the scissor leg raises. Just do a single leg raises, one leg at a time. Make sure your other leg is not touching the ground. Perform at least 15 reps each leg. Just do not stop until you feel the burn on your lower abs and make sure to finish it with the reverse crunches. Cycle of this whole exercise is just 1 minute, but if you still have the energy, make sure to finish it at least 3 sets. You can do this for 21 days. The results will speak for itself.